Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to go live on Facebook page. Facebook live videos are public, so viewers can watch on any device where they have access to Facebook but don't need an account. Users can go live on Facebook from a profile, a page, a group, or an event. Starting a live stream from the app versus a web browser will be a little different. Check out these instructions. Go to profile page and then click what's on your mind to open post option. Now, click live video in the post option. And then, tap where it says tap to add a description to add information about the video. You can also tag friends or other pages, a location or a feeling or activity. And then use the buttons on the bottom to configure the settings and any features or tools you want to use during the stream. And last, tap Start Live Video when you are ready. And finish to end it. Facebook offers a lot of features for you to further connect with your audience during your broadcast. Utilizing these tools will help boost engagement and create the best possible experience for your viewers. You can mix and match them to serve your stream in the best way for your business. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.